Manchinder ji, and thank you
Thank you,
very
Rekha
much
ji.
for your wonderful thoughts and wonderful words towards Ankur.
Rekha ji, thank you
Uh,
very much. A very warm good afternoon to you.
very good afternoon, Ankur. How are you?
I'm fine.
So, Ankur, long investment in time and education. So,
Yeah,
definitely each and every investment is going to pay back. That is one thing very, very important. But as
yeah,
discussed with Manchinder ji, you have to be very focused now onwards about what exactly you want from your life. That is very important. Okay.
yeah,
So, Ankur, in this regard, see, it's very important that you're focusing for MBA exam number one, right?
yeah,
So, Ankur, we need to understand your profile in totality. Okay, that is very important because ultimately we will be going through the profile based process. Okay. So, in
yeah,
this regard, Ankur, we have some important components to be understood. Number one, when I say academic journey, so definitely you have shared somewhat about your graduation and your master's, but I'll
yeah,
re-emphasize that 10th, 12th, your college, and your
yeah,
master's, right?
yeah,
So as far as your graduation is concerned, I believe it's 2013-16, Ramjas DU, right?
yeah.
So what exactly was your score in your BA Pol Science?
61.40.
Perfectly okay. And your master's in yeah, yeah.
Yeah, actually, I 10, 12 my hometown.
That was in Gorakhpur?
Yeah,
Perfectly okay. What was your year of passing 10th standard?
11,
2011. Okay. And what was the percentage in 10th?
7.4 CGPA, 90.
That sounds great. And this is 2013, right?
Yeah,
Investments.
yeah,
Ultimately, you will be having much better hand as compared to other MBA students. So in this
yeah,
regard, Ankur, this is perfectly good to understand academics, though at times there is some divergence, I'll say, but okay, no worries. So one thing important, Ankur, any extra certifications you would like to share with us? Your
yeah,
qualification, right? Your sports, debate, projects,
yeah.
internship. Yeah, please.
And in masters, I have a thesis like baby PhD. You can say that. Uh,
Okay.
one semester, I done my PDS, Public Distribution System in India.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, definitely. Ankur, I request you to write all the processes down. Write all the processes.
Okay.
Yes. So, Ankur, first of all, you are requested to share all your documents, which would be your academic credentials, with me
Okay.
through WhatsApp or email. Documents such
Okay.
as 10th, 12th, graduation mark sheets, your extra co-curricular activity certificates, your social service, as well as internship certificates.
Okay.
We need to go for a document verification and we need those certificates for your profile.
Okay.
As soon as you are registered with the company, we initiate some process which is important for the grooming of the candidate.
Okay.
These processes include first one would be 2 rounds of mock interviews, which goes on a recorded version.
Okay.
The second step is you would be provided with 2 LORs, letter of recommendation, which will support your profile.
Okay. Like
The third step,
like a professor
yes,
or any other, because I am was in academic, so I was not
yes,
working
yes,
in.
yes. It would be a professional LOR.
Okay.
The next would be one SOP, statement of purpose, which will show why you are interested in the following institute.
Okay.
The fourth step is you would be asked to give a test, which is a CPCG test, career planning, career guidance.
Okay.
This test would be a psychometric test, and link would be provided to you, and you need to go through the test online. And a 50 to 60 pages report is generated.
Okay.
This test is approved by the HRD ministry, and 60,000 students took the test in the state of Karnataka. Ankush, should I, are you writing it down? Should I move forward?
Yeah.
Okay. So, fifth step would be an online test. Like you would be asked to give an online test. Like SP Jain has an online examination which is called SP JAT. We would
Okay.
be providing you the link and you need to go through that test.
Okay.
The sixth step is we would be sharing some topics with you, like essay writing topics, and you need to write essays within a word limit, and it would be an important analysis of your writing skills. We would also be sharing you with we would also share some case studies, and it would be case studies as well as essay writing.
Okay.
After going through all these steps, we would be sharing you the date of GDPI, which would be held through the Zoom session, let's say, from the university officials.
Okay.
And within 1 week to 10 days, you will receive your offer letter.
Okay.
Over to you, Rekha ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, Avni, thank you for sharing the process. And Ankur, I believe it's clear to you.
Yeah.
Ankur?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ankur, this is very specific process the way we go. Now the point is maybe you have good communication skills, maybe you're good in academics, but ultimately when you're facing the university officials, you know, they're highly
Yeah.
professional. They give you 10
Yeah.
to 12 minutes to speak up, you know. So ultimately
Okay.
it's very important to channelize your energy and give best shot so that you get crack the interview rounds, okay?
Okay.
So in this regard, Ankur, I believe this is one thing which is very important you understand. And now
Yeah.
coming to your MBA, just let me understand, Ankur, what specialization you're looking for in MBA now?
Yeah. Actually, I'm looking for supply chain and logistic, like operation and business analytics.
Okay. So in this regard, I'll suggest, Ankur, it is very important that you should, maybe finance is one thing, which is, see, you are from a science background. So I'm guiding you this. Finance is something which is really going to give you excellent placements. Okay.
Okay.
So in MBA, you have your major and minors, I'll say, if you're keen towards operations, because you
Yeah.
were having some aspirations for engineering, I'll say. So you should
Yeah.
keep finance and operations as your major and minor. Got my point?
Yeah.
So because it is no, see, what is your age? I believe 25, 26, if I'm not wrong, Ankur?
24.
24. So you're just 24, not like enough grown up. और बहुत ज़्यादा भी आपने years भी lose नहीं किए. And as far as 24, I appreciate now that आपने हर year में कुछ ना कुछ अपने degrees and diplomas, you know, achieve किए हैं. So you have
Yeah.
been very wise, I'll say, right? I've seen students reaching to age and, you know, having many gap years. So this I appreciate, Ankur, and that is impressive, I'll say. Okay. So in this regard, one thing, see, ultimately, थोड़ा होता है कि हम कहीं ना कहीं बहुत फोकस नहीं रहे, लेकिन हमने अपने आप को भटकने नहीं दिया.
Yeah.
जहां भी थे, जैसे भी थे, थोड़ा समेटने की कोशिश की है. That kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
And ultimately, if you have got your degrees in your hand, what else? We can prove our caliber and academic caliber through our degrees only. So you have
Yeah.
given good justification there, I'll say. So Ankur, now I believe it's good if you follow what exactly best, you know, I can suggest कि past में आप बहुत मेहनत कर चुके हैं. It's more about your future now.
Yeah.
So ultimately, what happens, Ankur, when you're going to share your business card with any of the, you know, corporates and future anywhere in this world, I'll say, it's more of your branding. People are always bothered. So Delhi University was a good branding, no doubt. But ultimately, you have to come back as far as the business schools are concerned, right? So in
Yeah.
this regard, I'll say location should not be any worry to you, as you shared with
Yeah,
Manchanda ji when
I'm
I was
looking for
listening to
Pan
it,
India.
Yeah.
right?
I'm
It
looking.
Pan India.
Okay, so is it India or abroad also, Ankur?
Yeah.
Definitely. So, Ankur, now what is important? We were discussing something about your father. Please let me understand your family, your parents, and your siblings.